so fast. So guys, I'm back and we were flying the drone. Isn't that just beautiful here? Amazing. Alles gut, danke dir. Super, vielen Dank. Ciao, ciao. So everybody, we're on our way. I have 61 kilometers left, so I better start making a move. I have my helmet open, so I hope the wind noise isn't too bad. So my daughter was waiting for me and I just gave her a call to say I was coming late. But isn't this beautiful Hofe? Look how green it is. And you can see the beautiful colours of those trees over there. Oh, these are some roads. Oops, I'm ahead of Hames and that. Oh, look at this road. Isn't this just gorgeous, folks? I really hope the wind noise isn't too bad. 193 is a good price nowadays, folks. So folks, I'm just going to put a little bit of fuel in this. Around about 25 litres, I'd say. I don't like that E10. That's 10% ethanol. Well, I don't like ethanol. Well, let's get this stuff into it. There we go. Oh, shit. What was that about? That's that mountain in the middle of the fuel tank, which if you actually lower this in too far, you actually hit it. And it splashed up on me there. Let's get the automatic on. Oh, look at this. Oh, what did I say? 25? Yeah. 25.01. Here are my hands, folks. Now, didn't I say 25 and a penny? Don't call me David Copperfield for nothing. It's actually beautifully brimmed. 25 litres exactly. So there's 5 litres left in it. Where's my wallet? Jesus, I thought my wallet wasn't here. My God. I thought I was goosed. I'm just having one of those days that I really don't feel like going fast. That might change though. I don't think I had my camera on. I do now. Oh yes! Whoa! Woo-hoo! This thing is so fast. Just hope my bag stays on the back. Stay where you fucking are. I haven't tied on my bag too well. Wow, amazing. Now this is what I mean. Top-notch comfort on the motorway. You cannot go wrong with this bike. I mean, I am going so easy on the throttle, and we're sort of ticking over in 5th gear, better give it 6th. At 5,500 revs, not even, I'm doing 150 Ks plus. Oh, come on, Opel Corsa. I hate Opels. Woohoo! Even the sound is nice when that exhaust opens up. There's that Euro 5 thing on this bike. It's called a Klappenauspuff in German. I don't know what it's called in English. Somebody might help me along with that. And the exhaust is electrically opened up, and you give it plenty of welly. I think around about 5,000-6,000 RPMs. This thing can really growl and get angry. Thank you, mate. There, you can hear it opening. Oh. Oh my god, I'm getting a bit of wheel wobble. I suppose it's that stupid fucking bag I have on the back. I ain't never got that before. Oh, didn't like that. Did you see it in the steering, folks? I was heading for a tank slapper. Not really, but it was a bit of a woohoo. I don't want to have a whoopsie on the motorway. So 28 kilometers left to go. Temperature's gone up a little bit. It was 14 when I started, it's now 16, and it's 3:15 in the afternoon. Well, I can knock it out of dynamic and put it back into road. I am enjoying this run. Very nice. Oh, mate. Thanks for that. Go over. Overtake the first one here. I'll take the second one as well. The way is clear again for me. The GS just loves these types of roads. Just steers into the corners. You just have to think about counter steering, and it's already leaning over in the bend. And the nice thing about it is it does actually hold the lean until you give it a little bit of an impulse again. Now I must say the quick shifter is a little bit jerky. It's not the best one that I've ever tested. There are some beautiful quick shifters out there on the market, but this is a boxer, and because of the nature of the engine with the high torque and the boxer engine, it makes it more difficult to make a quick shifter which is going to be ultra smooth. I'll forgive BMW for that. If you get it absolutely right, it will go in smoothly on the up gear, but if you're down gearing it very fast, it can be jerky. I prefer actually to use the clutch most of the time. These little roundabouts, they are on my Calimoto navigation. Now check out the quick shifter now. As smooth as butter. I know exactly where she's good to change, and it takes a little bit of getting used to at the beginning. Oh, the sun is coming out, folks. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And I love the autumn colours as well. Absolutely gorgeous. There's a castle up here called Rummerberg. I think it's Rumberg or Rummerberg. I wanted to go and visit that, but I don't think we're going to have time to do that today. I have 81 kilometers left to do, and I want to be there by sort of 2 o'clock latest. Let me see, I think it goes up to the castle here. Ronneburg, yeah. Oh, that's it up there, yes. Oh, lovely. Ronneburg. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is an awful lot nicer than travelling on the motorway, isn't it?